channel, and for today's episode we're gonna make little mini pies. You don't have to have any special molds for this. I just have a little mini cupcake pan, but for starters what you want to do is you want to either have, like, I'm doing it like a ghetto way because I don't have one of the like slicer things, but this has like the little thing to get these thin little slices. You don't have to do it this way, it's just in the end I want it to look pretty. You can even use a knife to get it this way, but I'm not gonna end up having these like thin pieces. I'm just not that good at it. But what you want to do, I'm not gonna worry at this time to clean my apples because I'm just gonna run them over water later before I put them inside of my molds. But just go on ahead and use this thing or a knife or whatever you're using, and just make sure you're cutting thin slices so that in the end you can have a pretty product, or you can just cut them in half, like into little squares like I said. Whatever is easier for you if you don't want to go the extra step, because in the end I'm going to try and make them look like roses. If not, I already failed at this video. I did cut myself at the beginning of this video, and I know somebody's gonna be like, you're not wearing gloves, but they're gonna get washed anyways. So I'm just gonna continue to do this, and then I will come back after I've washed my apples. Okay guys, I'm back now, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sort through these apples that I have sliced, because I'm looking to see things that are not like even. So I'm just gonna cut that off with my knife, and I'm gonna throw it into another bowl, because that's the bowl that I'm gonna put in the cinnamon and sugar. Cause well, not cause, but I just want them to be even and pretty. So yeah. Hey guys, I am back now. I have my mini cupcake tin. I didn't yet, like a dummy, spray my pan yet. But what you want to do at this time, there's a video that's going to come out later where I made gluten-free pie crust. I found gloves. But half of this pan is going to be gluten-free and the other half is going to be regular. So what you need is I'm guessing that's like 2 inches, 2.5 inches, or maybe 1 inch. I haven't really figured that out. You could use just the circle side, but I kind of want to use the little flower design thing on here, floral design, because that's a fluted edge, and that's going to be cute if I got a floral edge. So what I'm going to do right now, I don't have my rolling pin right now, so I'm going to go get that. And also in that time, I'm going to spray my pan. Okay, so now I have my pan done. I have my little rolling pin. So I'm going to unroll. This is my gluten-free one. And I'm going to flour my surface, make a couple, and then come back to show you. I'm also not going to film my regular dough on camera, but that's okay. Okay guys, just letting you know this is the finished project. My roses aren't that pretty, but that's okay. So I'm gonna try one, but I'm not gonna try one of the apples. I'm gonna try one of the pumpkins because I'm scared because of the gluten-free crust. Don't know how it's gonna taste, and if it tastes nasty, I know the pumpkin's gonna like make it taste better. So this is not that bad. I'm shocked that it came out tasting like this because of the first time using gluten-free flour. I messed up. But honestly, this is pretty good. Again, for the actual, well, I'll just put the recipe in the description like always. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Thank you.